Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you a program. Today is Talk the Walk. Talk the Walk is a weekly program brought to you by myself. My name is TR Prosper. I'm the founder and chief executive of Talk the Walk.
Well, yes, of course, Talk the Walk Show. Thank you so much for tuning in.
A TV which is going to build you, which is going to add on you, and which is going to really give you entertainment that is really educative and which is going to be really very wonderful and very good for you, for your livelihood. My name is Moses Sumlin.
Talk the Walk Show, the TV show, your favorite, every Friday. Talk the Walk Show, come and watch. Talk the Walk Show. If you ate something today, you should remember that what you ate was pollinated by the bees. This would mean the bees are that important. Talk the Walk Show. I remain yours sincerely, Stephen Kunihira from Mr. Bees Africa Limited.
Nalunga Victoria, your urban farmer. So let's keep agriculture burning. Keep watching Talk the Walk TV show. See you.
I'm here, presenter Ruswat Alan. I'll be bringing you people who make this world move.
We are proudly sponsored by TC Holiday Homes. I think you can see, if you look around, I think you can see the dining, the fancy chairs, everything that is around me is really looking good. Yeah, that is one of our homes, the one in Busega, and the next show to those ends of edges. So if you want these homes, you can also reach on to us, our social media platforms, and our numbers. You can always call in 08 yes, crazy. You can always reach on to us. Everything goes on well. Yes, Talk the Walk TV with Prosper.
Welcome to Talk the Walk Show, the online show, being sponsored by Holiday TC Homes. Today we are hosting a senior pastor with a miracle bird. This is quite amazing. Pastor, how are you?
I'm very fine. How are you, sir? Yes.
Could you greet our viewers who are seeing you right now?
Good evening. I greet you all in Jesus' name. I'm called Stephen Kalanzi. I am a pastor.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this miracle bird?
This miracle bird is called a quail bird.
A quail bird. What's the origin of this bird? Where did it come from?
It originated from the Asian countries.
Okay.
But coming right here to Uganda, it was first reared by the Kenyans. Then we received a copy of this bird.
In which year? In which year?
It's now over 15 years.
In Uganda here?
Uganda here. Though after some time people had to, they stopped rearing it because of the expenses of the eggs. So the people that brought these birds in Uganda, they were selling the eggs so expensively.
Okay.
So people tended not to consume the eggs.
So our viewers are waiting to hear why is it called the miracle bird?
Yeah, we trace its essence from the Bible.
Okay.
When God was taking his children from Egypt to the promised land.
Okay.
Bible says he fed them with the quails. So that they walked 40 years so healthy, feeding on these birds.
Why is it called a miracle bird?
It is called a miracle bird because of its essential properties to the body, to the human body. So we trace its origin right back away when God was feeding his children when they are crossing the desert.
Okay.
Bible says he fed them with such a type of birds, the crow birds. So from the Asian countries, they know it much better because consuming one quail egg, it is more than the egg of the chicken or any other bird twice. So the ingredients in this small egg, it is multiplied twice
than this original egg.
Ordinary eggs.
From
of
the
the chicken, of the duck, or the turkey. Yes. So that's why it is called a miracle.
So it has more value.
Exactly.
Now we look at these birds in Uganda.
Yes.
How many farmers you think have really got these birds?
The number is increasing right now.
Because of the demand.
Because of the demand of the eggs. So right now I think you can go up to 50 farmers.
In Uganda, yeah.
And more are coming up. Yes.
What quite amazing, they are telling me that this bird can heal any type of disease. Is it true?
Yeah, because it contains a lot of vitamins. It contains minerals and antioxidants, which help the eggs, which help
these
the
eggs,
immune system
Yeah.
of the body. So anything that
These
touches,
small eggs you are seeing here.
this small egg, it contains minerals, it contains vitamins, it contains proteins, and antioxidant properties. These ones, they help to boost the immunity of the body. So anything that boosts the immunity of the body, it covers most of the illness in the body system. Yes.
Talk the Walk Show here at Holiday Homes in AJ. A lot of things we are bringing. This is what we should expect from Talk the Walk Show here at TC Holiday Homes. Pastor.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at that bird. It's quite amazing. For how long have you been in the system?
I've been in the system for now 3 years.
3 years.
Yes, rearing this bird.
You have earned a lot.
Surely, I've earned a lot from this bird. But initially, we were rearing the bird and selling the eggs.
The eggs.
And most of the people, that's what they do. And these eggs are consumed while they are raw. That is how they have to be consumed.
This type of eggs.
You get the egg.
Anybody see here.
You break it, then you consume. That is how they can be. The medicinal properties of this bird can be consumed 100%.
Without mixing anything.
Without missing anything.
Yeah.
But people, they have a problem with consuming it well in this form. That's why it was not selling so much. But that's why we had to develop it to add value on the eggs.
Yeah.
By dehydrating them.
That's drying them. Drying the eggs.
Not drying, but you dehydrate.
Okay.
You just remove the moisture.
Okay.
When you dry them, it will lose like 50%. But when you dehydrate, it will lose like 10 to 15% of the ingredients.
So you decided to do so.
To do so.
And you're the first Ugandan.
Exactly. I'm the first Ugandan
That's
to
why
dehydrate
he's
the
here
eggs.
at Talk the Walk Show. You are the first Ugandan to
dehydrate them.
The eggs. The Walk Show, TC Holiday Homes. Pastor, first and foremost,
yes, sir.
I would like to have that picture. How does that bird look physically? I understood you came with these birds.
Physically, it looks like a young chick.
This is the bird?
This is the bird.
You can look
now
at
this one is a mature one.
It's quite amazing.
Yeah, it is a mature one.
This is a mature one?
They are laying.
They are laying eggs?
Yeah.
Do we have a male and a female?
Yeah, we have a male and a female. And they lay from 2 months.
Oh.
Up to 2.5 years.
Okay.
Laying. So these are the old quail birds.
Okay. This is the type of bird we are talking about. Talk the Walk Show. I'm still with Pastor Kalanzi.
Yes.
So you are telling us different products from these birds. Eggs only.
Eggs only.
Which type of products did you come up with?
Yeah, what we did, this egg, it has 2 parts. It has the yolk and the shell.
Okay.
The shell is rich in calcium. So we get the shell, also we dehydrate and crush and get this powder for the shell.
Okay.
So this one
is only powder for the shell.
For the shell.
Okay. What does it do?
It is rich in calcium.
Okay.
It helps with the bones, the muscles.
People with weak bones.
With weak bones and muscles.
Like older people.
Old people. Having backache. So, but again, we could not just give it away in this form. So we put it in okra coffee. So somebody takes the coffee while taking the shells.
Okay.
And helping his bones and the muscles.
Okay. So these they go to.
No, we have mixed it in the okra.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
To make it is called quail coffee. So it is so delicious. Well, it is helping the body. And now the yolk itself, since it is not easy to consume, after putting it in a powder, we mix it first with porridge, soya. This is soya, there is milk, there is corn, there is rice, and a lot of stuff. And we mix the powder and we make this porridge. So it is rich in protein while helping the body. Again, you have to mix it with honey, original honey.
That's a different product.
This is a different product. Why? Because honey does not go wrong.
Okay.
Does not go bad. The original honey.
So this is used to?
This one can be used people who are having ulcers, sugar diabetes, anemia. They can use this one. It is a good mixture, but carrying the powder of the egg.
Okay.
So those are the products that we have so far. And then because of its good properties on the skin, we have come up with jelly. So we
from the same bud.
From the same bud. So we mix the powder in the jelly. It is so good on the body. Yes. And we mix the quail shells and the egg and we mix it in this honey. You see, it is so concentrated that even now it is attracting the what?
The bees.
The bees. So we seal it to get this liquid, which is a mixture of shell and the egg. So
what does
good.
It cure?
People who are having cough, respiratory problems, and ulcers too.
Okay.
It does heal.
Okay.
We are coming up with many other products
from one bud.
One bud. We have chipoli, we have soap, all these helping the body.
This is quite amazing. So what has been your challenges since?
The challenges, we are now, every time we need to dehydrate, we go, we pay. Because we don't have our own machine.
It needs a machine.
We need a machine. We need a machine for hatching. We need to expand the farm. So we need that machine. We need grinders. All that need money. So money is the challenge. Otherwise, we would expand this business, because at least a person should take an egg or two a day. Since he's not able to get it, he can take at least a spoon
of that
of this one every day. The challenge is money to expand the business.
Okay. Talk the Walk Show, TC Holiday Homes. We are changing the language to our local language. Talk the Walk Show. Tuli wano ku TC Homes, amaka malungi nga gali mu bitundu by'eggwanga eby'enjawulo, gwageetaaze kuba bukubi ku nnamba ezo z'olaba wansi, ojja kubanga ojja ne weeyagalira amaka gano abalina birthdays, abalina honeymoons, amaka gali mu bitundu eby'enjawulo. Tukyusizzaako ku lulimi lwaffe, tuzze ku lulimi lwaffe olunnansi, kye tulaba wano sijja kukibanyumiza naye ndowooza mukiraba. Akanyonyi ak'ebyamagero. Ate ngo gwendi naye musumba akalunda. Musumba kijja kitya okwenyigira mu kulunda akanyonyi kano?
Ensonga zisobola okubeera ssatu. Ekisooka ke kanyonyi akangu okulabirira. ekyokulabirako obunyonyi 100 bwetaaga kilo 3 okulya olunaku. Kati bwoba okageraganyiriza n'enkoko 10 simanyi kyezitwala, naye kano kangu okulabirira kyekisooka. Ekyokubiri kangu mangu kuleeta amagoba, nti bwe ntandika okukalunda kaakati nga nfunye akagubi kange kamu, mu myezi 2 katandika okumpa ssente nga kabiise eggi.
Ate kyamaanyi nnyo ddagala.
Kyamaanyi nnyo ekisinga
lwalwalako omuntu gw'olina ewaka nga mugenda wali kanyonyi.
Era ssebo kayita miracle bird tulimbye. Kubanga nze waliwo abantu abamu abalwadde nga bali ku saidi yange nembawa amagi gano ne bawona.
Abantu bano baali benyinyala amagi abasinga.
Kituufu
okuba otya eggi erifaanana bwe liti n'oliteeka
n'olirya.
Naddala abakyala batulaba ku Talk the Walk Show.
Y'ensonga lwaki taata twalikyusa ne tuliteeka mu pawuda
n'otambula n'omutindo.
N'omutindo. Ensonga lwaki twateeka mu pawuda ekisooka eggi lino ng'olitadde awo tulibalira weeks 4 okwonooneka. Mwenye bwe liba likyaliwo naye liba terikyalimu mugaso. Kaakati bwe tuliteeka mu pawuda, ono pawuda tumubalira emyezi 8 ng'akyalimu ensa.
Abatulaba ku mukutu guno ono Munnayuganda asookedde ddala okulaba nti ajjaamu ebintu eby'omugaso mu kanyonyi kano, naye ate n'abiteeka mu nkola endala okwongera okuwangaala
n'okwongerako omutindo. N'okwongerako ddala omutindo omulungi.
Pastor, tutunuulira nti amagi agava mu kanyonyi kano gavumula endwadde nga mmeka?
Gavumula endwadde nga 23. Endwadde nga 23 zegavumula.
Kwegamba oba na musawo
ewaka. Ekirungi ky'akanyonyi kano nti abasirikale b'omu mubiri, abantu ekitulwaza, kubanga endwadde yonna erumba gye bayita white blood cells, abasirikale b'omubiri bwe banafuya n'omubiri nga gunafuwa. Kati kano kyekakola, kyekasookera ddala okukola kwe kwongera abasirikale b'omubiri amaanyi.
Buli bw'oli eggi
obongera amaanyi okulwanyisa endwadde eyandikulumbye. Kyova olaba nti ebirwadde nga kansa, nga pressure, nga ulcer tetuyina kubuusabuusa nti omuntu bw'atandika okugakozesa, omuntu abadde ne stroke, ebyo byonna bigenda nga tamanyi kubanga akozesezza nnyo, kubanga lyo lirumba ali abasirikale b'omubiri ne babiraba amaanyi n'olwanyisa ekirwadde.
Tuwetaaga kugenda mu ddwaliro okuteeka ku kitanda ku drip. Abatulaba ku Talk the Walk Show, omusumba ono wa mugaso nnyo eri eggwanga. Tutunuulira ekintu kino nti kusomoozebwa ki kw'osanze ng'oli mu kulunda akanyonyi kano?
Okusoomooza okusookera ddala kwa kufuna busobozi obw'essente obumala okusobola okuteeka ebintu bino ku mutindo.
Kubanga ate gw'osoose oyagala Bannayuganda bongera okukifunamu, n'abo batulaba ku mukutu abali ewala.
Kisobokera ddala okubeera nti tukiteeka ku mutindo ogugasa abantu bonna abali mu Uganda.
N'abo abali kati abatulaba ab'emitimbagano baabweru.
Nti buli muntu asobola okulya n'okukozesa eggi lino. So bwe tuba tusobola okufuna ekyuma ekikaza amagi kituyamba. Bwe tufuna ekyuma ekyaluza amagi kituyamba ogaziya faamu.
Ne bweyongerako
kubanga bweteyongera ate n'ofuna bingi kati emitwalo 11.
Bane twegatte
gisobola okuteekawo faamu ey'amaanyi nga kuliko ekyuma ekyaluza, nga kuliko ekyuma ekikaza, nga kuliko ebipaakinga, ne tuba nga tufulumya ekintu eky'omulembe
ekinayamba abantu bonna. Kakati tutunuulira nti okusoomoozebwa ki kw'osanze?
Okusoomoozebwa okusinga obunene kukyaliwo kaakati nti abantu tebannaba kumanya, naye ababikozesaako bye babitegeera. Okusomooza okuliwo nti okumanyisa abantu kyekyabeetaagisa, okumanya omugaso oguli mu ggi lino.
ate n'okumanya kino ekipya kyokoze
n'okumanya ekipya kino kyenkoze ekyali challenge nti kubanga buli abantu bebamanya akatale kagaziwa ate bamanya n'abagala okujja okulunda nabo beeyongera so okumanya yemu ku challenge
kino kya mugaso nnyo gwali ku Talk the Walk Show kyetukuleetedde naye tusuubira nti omusumba tujja kubeera naye ayongere okutwongeramu okutukakasa wa gye tugenda kuba kyetutunuulira ekkubo tulikutte eddagala tulifunye kati musumba kaki kolowooza akatalekeka
nandikubiriza buli muntu yenna
akulaba kati
andaba kakati waki buli lunaku lyayamba gyabiri agakagobi obulamu bwo bujja kubeera bulungi ojja kubanga obuzimbye ate obiiriwo kubanga mukama atwetaaga tuli balamu n'abantu baffe betwetaaga nga tuli balamu kyekyo sebo
kirooto ki kyotunuulidde
ekirooto kyange kyentunuulidde ekirooto kigazi kyakufuna ba outgrowers n'okuba nti ebintu bino bibeera bibuna mu buli supermarket eri mu Uganda kirooto kyange ekyo
kati bikyali bitono olina supermarket gyobituttemu
nina amaduuka gensupplying eyiganga nina Masaka Ntebe tulinayo n'abantu sekinomba nkubira amasimu nimbatuusaako wano mu Uganda yes
kwe ali ku mukutu guno ali muna Uganda ali ebonayira amagezi gali nti bojja ne wegatta n'omusumba ono musobola okukola ekinene musobola okutaasa ensi gwagamba nti bizinensi njagala kukola bizinensi mu Uganda jangu nesoko obawe nakani ndagiriro mbadde neerabidde
endagiriro ziri biri enkulu ya simu
n'omutimbagano guno seereza
omutimbagano seereza
WhatsApp ne Facebook
namba yange eri ku WhatsApp eri 075858098 eyeri ku WhatsApp. Facebook yaffe bagiyita Tondo Coil Products ye Facebook yaffe kwe tuli ate physical contact okwata Ntebe Road wangwe nnyo oviiramu ku Nkumba University
aba bava ku kisaawe bayingira eggwanga basookere wo
ku Nkumba University stage wennyini bw'otuuka oba otuuse essimu zange zibaako kupiikinga awo ne bw'otuuka awo n'obuuza ku kanisa kwennyini eya Paradise Church wendi
abalina abalwadde kati abaagala ku magi gano abalina mu bwangu
abalina abalwadde osobola okukuba essimu yange eyo gye nkuwadde n'essimu endala era 07656580998
batuusaako amagi
nga batuusaako okwetola Uganda
olina gawera
nga batuusaako okwetola Uganda
abali ku mutimbagano guno bwe bityo bibadde omusumba tujja kwongera okumubakyaza wano ku TC Holiday Homes ayongere okuba waamu kubangula engeri akanyonyi kano gikali akebyamagero mbadde omuweereza Oluswata Alan ko TC Holiday Homes tuddemu nate.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you a program. Today is Talk the Walk. Talk the Walk is a weekly program brought to you by myself. My name is TR Prosper. I'm the founder and chief executive of Talk the Walk.
Well, yes, of course, mwebale nnyo kubanta temu Deko Talk the Walk Show. Thank you so much for tuning in.
A TV which is going to build you, which is going to add on you, and which is going to really give you entertainment that is really educative and which is going to be really very wonderful and very good for you, for your livelihood. My name is Moses Sumlin.
Talk the Walk Show, the TV show, your favorite, every Friday. Talk the Walk Show, come and watch. Talk the Walk Show.
If you ate something today, you should remember that what you ate was pollinated by the bees. This would mean the bees are that important. Talk the Walk Show I remain yours sincerely, Stephen Kunihira from Mr. Biz Africa Limited.
Nalunga Victoria, your urban farmer. So let's keep agriculture burning. Keep watching Talk the Walk TV show. See you.
I'm here, presenter Luswat Alan. I'll be bringing you people who make this world move.
We are proudly sponsored by TC Holiday Homes. Lero wetukolede. I think you can see, if you look around, I think you can see the dining, the fancy chairs, everything that is around me is really looking good. Yeah, that is one of our homes, the one in Busega wetukolede lero, and the next show tugenda kwanga te tujikolera those ends of Wandeje. So if you want these homes, you can also reach on to us, our social media platforms, and our numbers. You can always call in 08 yes, crazy. You can always reach on to us. Netula Bantate, everything goes on well. Yes, Talk the Walk TV with Prosper.